Most e-commerce stores fail not because the product is wrong, but because the operation is manual.
Every order processed by hand, every email written by hand, every ad managed by hand. That is not a business. That is a job with extra steps.
In this video, we build the automated e-commerce system, 5 layers, each one removing a manual task and replacing it with a machine that runs without you.
Layer 1. The store. AI builds your product listings, your descriptions, your pricing strategy, and your SEO metadata. You review, you publish, that is all.
The tools: Shopify for the storefront, Claude or ChatGPT for copy and descriptions, a product research tool like AutoDS or Zendrop for supplier connection.
Layer 2. Customer acquisition. AI writes the ad creative. AI targets the audience. AI optimizes the spend. Your job is to set the budget and approve the creative direction.
The tools: Meta Ads with Advantage Plus. Their AI handles placement and audience. Google Performance Max. Fully automated campaign that finds buyers across all Google properties.
Layer 3. Marketing automation. Every customer who visits, buys, or abandons gets a pre-built automated response. No manual emails, no chasing.
The workflow: Abandoned cart triggers a 3-email sequence. A purchase triggers a fulfillment confirmation, an upsell, and a review request, all automatic.
The tools: Klaviyo for email automation. Make .com or Zapier to connect your store to every other system. Once built, it runs forever.
Layer 4. Data and optimization. AI reads your store data and tells you what to stock more of, what to drop, and which ads are returning the best margin.
You do not need to be a data analyst. You need a dashboard that surfaces the 3 numbers that matter: cost per acquisition, average order value, and return on ad spend.
Layer 5. Fulfillment. You never touch the product. Supplier ships directly to the customer. Your store receives the order. The order goes to the supplier automatically via make.com or a fulfillment API.
Zero warehouse, zero packing, zero shipping. The only thing you manage is the system, and you only need to touch it when something breaks.
Now let us talk about what this system produces. In the first 60 days, you are building. The store is live, but revenue is low while you test products and creatives.
Month 2 to 4. 1 winning product found. Ads scaling. Email sequences converting. Revenue typically reaches $1,000 to $4,000 per month.
Month 4 to 8. Winning product scaled. Second product tested. Fulfillment fully automated. Revenue reaches $4,000 to $12,000 per month.
Month 8 and beyond. Multi-product store. All 5 layers running. Data informing decisions automatically. Revenue, $10,000 to $50,000 per month and above.
The one rule of automated e-commerce: you do not scale a store. You scale a system. Every dollar you put into ads must flow through a system that captures, converts, and retains automatically.
Your starting point this week. Set up a free Shopify trial. Use Claude to write your first 5 product descriptions. Connect one supplier via AutoDS or Zendrop.
That is layer 1, done in a weekend. The remaining 4 layers build on top of it over the following 4 weeks.
What type of e-commerce store are you planning to build? Drop shipping, print on demand, or your own branded products? Drop it in the comments.
And if you want a live build video, where we build a complete automated e-commerce store from zero in 1 session, tell us below and we will build it.
Subscribe and hit the bell. Every video on this channel is a documented build. The next one is already in motion.